Fundamental duties. Rights without duties are meaningless. It has been rightly said, if a person does not perform his duties, others cannot enjoy their rights. Thus, duties precede rights. Therefore, it was in 1976 that fundamental duties were added to Indian Constitution through 42nd Amendment. Originally, there were 10 fundamental duties, but now they are 11. Fundamental duties are obligations and every citizen is expected to perform them. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, to promote harmony and the spirit of a common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for all living creatures, to develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform, to safeguard public property and to abjure violence, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activities so that the nation constantly rises to higher level of endeavor and achievement. Parents or guardians should provide opportunity for education to his child or ward between the age of 6 and 14 years, added by 86th Amendment in 2002.